Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the classification of states of Markov chain, the topic of Markov chain. So what are the contents of Markov chain? Already we discussed that Markov process and the introduction of a Markov chain, present, past and future, step and state, one step transition probability and n step transition probability, Chapman-Kolmogorov theorem. In this class we will discuss about the classification of states of Markov chain and ergodicity using the Markov chain problems. So classification of states of Markov chain. First definition is if Pij n greater than 0 for some n and for all I and j, then every state can be reached from every other state. When this condition is satisfied, the Markov chain is said to be irreducible. The TPM of an irreducible chain is an irreducible matrix. So what is called the irreducible Markov chain? We will discuss through one example. For example, P equal to 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is a transition probability matrix. See, in this matrix P11 equal to 0, P11 equal to 0. As per the definition, Pi all Pij are greater than 0 for all for some n. But in P1, one value equal to 0, when you are finding that P square, that P11 is greater than 0. See here, it is P11 square greater than 0 for n equal to 2. That means it is not necessary all the entries are greater than 0 in the step 1 also. So that's why here if Pij greater than 0 for some n means it may be greater than 0 at n equal to 2 or n equal to 3 or n equal to 4, but it should be greater than 0 for all I and j. Therefore we can say here Pij n greater than 0 for some n for all I and j. Next one definition is period of the state. State I of a Markov chain is called a return state if Pii n greater than 0 for some n greater than 1. Pii, that means diagonal elements. When I equal to 1, that is P11, when I equal to 2, P22. So that is the diagonal elements. We will calculate the period only for the diagonal elements in the matrix. The period is denoted by di of a return state. I is defined as the greatest common divisor of all m such that Pii m greater than 0. That is, we have to pick that values of m from the matrix. We have to calculate p square, p cube, p power 4, p power 5 in all the matrix for P11. For P11, you have to note down the power number when it is greater than 0. Then you have to find the greatest common divisor of the elements. See, that is that di is that period of state I, that is equal to greatest common divisor of m. So what is that value of m? M is that Pii m greater than 0. Whenever it is greater than 0 at step m, then to take it the value. Then we can see that how to find this period. State I is said to be that periodic with period di if di greater than 1 and a periodic. So the state I is called the periodic if the period of the state is greater than 1, and the period of the state I is aperiodic if the period is 1. For example, P, suppose given P is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 by 2 1 by 2 0, then P square P cube P power 4. See, for the step for the state 2, for example, we can take state 2 or state 3. For state 2 we can calculate P22, sorry, P11, that P11 is 0 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 4, except that first step all the other steps are greater than 0. Then similarly for state 3, in the state 3 first step is equal to 0, second step, third step, fourth step is greater than 0. So whenever it is greater than 0, you have to note down the number, that is GCD of 2 3 4. So what is the GCD of 2 3 4? That is equal to 1. Therefore the period of the state 3 is 1, then the state 3 is known as aperiodic. So here given that state I is said to be that aperiodic if that period of the state is 1. In case in the first step itself, if it is greater than 0, in case if you are calculating period, if any one of them in that first step is greater than 0, then obviously it is periodic. So obviously state I is aperiodic if PII 1 is not equal to 0. If a Markov chain is finite irreducible, all its states are non-null persistent. A non-null persistent and aperiodic state is called ergodic. So if any one of the Markov chain is irreducible, all its states are non-null persistent. If it is a non-null persistent and aperiodic means period is 1. Period of the state is 1. Aperiodic state is called ergodic. And then very important note, if a Markov chain is irreducible, all its states are the same type. If they are all the transient state, one state is transient, all the states are transient. If one state is non-null persistent or null persistent, then all the states are the same one. All its states are either aperiodic or periodic with the same period. Recurrence time probability, mean recurrence time. The probability that the chain returns to state I having started from state I for the first time at the nth step or after n transitions is defined as FII n and called the first return time probability or the recurrence time probability. So n FII n, where n equal to 1 2 3 is the distribution of the recurrence time of the state I. It is like that probability distribution of state I. And then obvious, if it is the row vector, then FII equal to n equal to 1 to infinity FII n equal to 1. That means the return to state I is certain. Then mean recurrence time is denoted by mu II, that is equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity n FII n. Transient and non-null persistent. A state I is said to be that persistent and or recurrent if the return to state I is certain. That means capital FII equal to 1. The state I is said to be the transient state if the return to state I is uncertain. That means FII is less than 1. The state I is said to be the non-null persistent if its mean recurrence time mu II is finite and null persistent if mu II equal to infinity. A non-null persistent and aperiodic state is called ergodic. In the classification of states of Markov chain, we will discuss few problems. Example 1. Find the nature of states of the Markov chain with the TPM P equal to, it is given. So what are the states? States 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So we have to see that what are the classification of states of the Markov chain. How to find that? So for any one of the problem in the classification of states of Markov chain, we have to find up to P6, P power 6. That is P square, P cube, P power 4, P power 5, P power 6. See the solution of this. The first we have to find P square. As I mentioned, you have to find up to P power 6. First you have to find P square. P square is P into P, that is P square. Similarly P cube. P cube is P square into P. P square into P is P cube. And then P power 4. P cube into P, that is P power 4. You can see here it is P cube. P cube is equal to P. It is P. So P cube is equal to P. And then it is P square. See, this is P square. So this P square equal to P power 4. Similarly P power 5. P power 5 equal to P and P cube also. Similarly P power 6, here you can note down that P power 6 is equal to P power 4 and P square. That is P equal to P cube, P power 5, P power 7. P that is equal to P power 2 and plus 1. So in general P can be written as P power 2 and plus 1. If you substitute n equal to 0, then you will get P1, n equal to 2, P cube, n equal to 3, P power 5, like that. Similarly for P square, P power 4, P power 6, P power 2 n. So in general we can write that P square equal to P power 2 n. We note that P0, 0, 2 greater than 0. To find irreducible, first we have to write all the entries in the probability. That is P00 square is greater than 0. That means P00 is greater than 0 at step 2 only. And then P00, so in that P power 6, it is P power 5 into P. So that P power 5 equal to P and P power 6 equal to P square. You can see that P002 is greater than 0. P00 is greater than 0. But P01, see that P01. This is P01. This P01 is greater than 0 in the first step itself. So P01 greater than 0. Similarly P02. P02 in the step 1, this is P02. This P02 is not greater than 0 in step 1. So please keep it in mind. I am taking that P here, this P. So this P is here and then it is equal to P square. So this in that P2 is greater than 0, it is equal to 0. So in the first step it is not greater than 0, in the second step it is greater than 0. So B02 2 is greater than 0. Similarly we can find that when it is greater than 0, you have to write. So P10 in the first step itself it is greater than 0. P11 in the second step it is greater than 0. P12 is greater than 0 in the first step itself. And then P20 in the second step it is greater than 0. P21 is greater than 0 in the first step itself. And then P22 2 greater than 0. So when it is first greater than 0, at which step you have to write down that step here. Okay, so here you have to write what are the states, all the entries of the probability, and when it is first greater than 0 we have to note down that. That's why, that is the reason we have to find that up to P power 6. So state I is said to be periodic if period di and then the period is greater than 1, and A periodic if di equal to 1. So we have to find the period for the states. See that Pij whole power n greater than 0 for some n for all I and j. So when it is greater than 0 is already mentioned in that last slide. So Pij n greater than 0 for all n for all I and j. Therefore the Markov chain is irreducible. To find the period of the state we can use this definition. We can use the note. First we have to find that the period of state 0. Period of state 0 is denoted by d suffix 0, that is the GCD of m P00 m greater than 0. That means whenever that P00 is greater than 0, you have to write the number. So but P00 is greater than 0 is step 2, step 4, step 6. So what is the GCD of this 2, 4, 6? That is equal to 2. See that since P00 is greater than 0 at P square, P power 4, P power 6. So you note down this only this number 2, 4, 6. So write here, find that GCD of this values, you will get that is equal to 2. When that period is 1, then it is the state is called the period aperiodic. When it is greater than 1, the period is greater than 1, then it is called then the state is called periodic. So state 0 is periodic with period 2. Similarly, we can find that for period of state 1, period of state 1 is denoted by D1, then GCD of 2, 4, 6. Once again that P11 also greater than 0 when P square, P power 4, P power 6. So state 1 is periodic with period 2. Similarly, for period of state 2 is D2, that is also with period 2. So since the chain is finite and irreducible, because all the probabilities are greater than 0 and all its states are non-null persistent. So when it is a finite irreducible matrix, then all its states are non-null persistent. And period. So non-null persistent and aperiodic is called ergodic. That is the definition. But here it is not the, for all states 0, 1, 2, the chain is periodic with the period 2. So it is not aperiodic. All the states are not aperiodic. Therefore the states are not ergodic. Therefore the chain is also not the ergodic chain. Example 2. 3 boys ABC throw the ball to each other. A always throw the ball to B. B always throw the ball to C. But C is just as likely to throw the ball to B as to A. Show that the process is Markovian. Find the transition matrix and classify the states. See the solution. The states of the Markov chain are A, B and C. So the what are the states? A, B and C. A always throw the ball to B. So A is not throwing to C. Therefore the probability is 1. A always throw the ball to B, it is certain. And then B always throw to C. Therefore P probability equal to 1. But C throw to A and also to B. So C is throw the ball to A is 1 by 2 and C throw the ball to B is probability 1 by 2. So based on the transition probability, we can form the TPM. P equal to, that is the present states. Present states are ABC and then future states are ABC. We can form that A always throw to B. A always throw to ball with the probability 1. So A to B is 1. All the other two values are 0. Similarly, B always throw to C. That is this value is 1, all the other two values are 0. But C throw to A and also B. So these two probabilities are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. The other probability is 0. So this is the method to form the TPM. In the classification of states of Markov chain, we have to find up to P power 6. So P square equal to, first we have to prove it is a Markovian. States of xn depends only on the states xn minus 1 but not on the states xn minus 2, xn minus 3 are the earlier states. Therefore xn is the Markov chain. You have to find P square. P square is P into P, then we can find that. Similarly we can find P cube. P cube equal to P square into P. So substitute that P square here and then that P multiply with P and then you can get the Markov chain. P square TPM. P power 4. Similarly, we can find phi power pi, p power 6. Next we have to find the classification of states of Markov chain, and then you write all the entries of the probabilities. See that first PAA is greater than 0 at step 3 only, and then first time it is greater than 0 at step 3 only, and PAB is greater than 0 in the step 1 itself, because he always throw to ball to B, remember that. So this value is 1, other values are 0 in the P1, therefore at the step 3 it is greater than 0, and the step 2 it is greater than 0. You can refer that the matrix that is given in the last slides. So similarly PBA is greater than 0, B always throw the ball to C, therefore PBC 1, this probability is 1, that is in the first step itself it is greater than 0. C is pass the ball to A and also B, so in the first step itself it is 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2, so therefore the two probabilities are greater than 0. So in the step 2 it is greater than 0. Now you can see that all the probabilities are greater than 0 for all I and j for some n. For some n means, so here n equal to 1, here n equal to 3, here n equal to 2. So for some n it is greater than 0 for all I and j. Therefore for the definition, by using the definition Pij n greater than 0 for some n for all I and j, the Markov chain is irreducible. Since the chain is finite irreducible, all its states are non-null persistent. Next we have to find the period. So to find the period of the state di means da, first period of state A, da equal to GCD of m PAA m greater than 0. That means for that first diagonal element, whenever that is greater than 0, you have to note down the number of step. So in the step 3 it is greater than 0, step 5 greater than 0, step 6 greater than 0. So what is the GCD of 3, 5, 6? That is equal to 1. So PAA greater than 0 at p cube, p power 5, p power 6. Therefore the state A is periodic with the period 1. And then I have given one note, when one state follow, if one state is aperiodic, all the other states are aperiodic. Okay. Similarly we can find for period state B, period of state B, that is denoted by dB, that is equal to GCD of m p bb m greater than 0, that is GCD of 2, 3, 4 is 1. So when it is B is greater than 0, second diagonal element is greater than 0, at step 2, step 3, step 4 it is greater than 0, therefore the GCD of 2, 3, 4 equal to 1. Since the PBB is greater than 0 at p square, p cube, p power 4, state B is aperiodic with period 1. Similarly we can find that period of state C. We note that all the states are aperiodic with period 1. Since the chain is finite and irreducible and aperiodic, therefore all its states are ergodic. This is the answer for the problem. Thank you.